What will happen here? Both sides of the political aisle are calling for a different approach. 13 ABC's Jack Bassett sat down with a law expert to break down some of the options. Jack?
After serving 27 years on the Supreme Court, Ruth Bader Ginsburg leaves behind quite the record and resume with the court system. And whoever takes her spot on the bench will have big shoes to fill. Republican Senator Rob Portman recalls Ginsburg as brilliant, respected, a trailblazer, and champion for equal rights. Democratic Senator Sherrod Brown, in his own message, called for a prayer, asking for the principles that guided her to help guide the current leaders of our country. The big question is, what's next?
The balance of the Supreme Court is held with this vacancy. It would have a tremendous impact, regardless of which way it goes, on almost any major issue that is in front of the Supreme Court.
University of Toledo Dean and Professor of Law Benjamin Barros explains the death of Ginsburg creates a never-before-seen moment in history.
We're really close to an election, and that makes it incredibly complicated.
Barros sees 4 possible outcomes moving forward. The first, President Trump is re-elected and Republicans keep the Senate, resulting in the confirmation of a replacement judge hand-selected by Donald Trump.
Here you have the great liberal hero, Justice Ginsburg. If you replace her with a Republican nominee, that's going to alter the balance.
The second, where President Trump is re-elected, but Democrats gain control of the Senate. A situation where Barros believes Republicans will rush to appoint a new judge while still in power.
It wouldn't be that hard politically for them to move forward in confirming the nominee of a president who has been reelected.
If Joe Biden wins the 2020 election and the Republicans have Senate majority, a conservative nominee is probable to still be appointed to the court. However, he believes if Biden and the Democrats win it all this fall, a court justice with beliefs and opinions to that of Ginsburg is likely.
If Justice Ginsburg's seat ends up being filled by the Democrats, it's not going to change the current ideological balance. It would be more the status quo going forward.
As the election inches closer, Barros believes this moment shifted the campaigns and the future of politics.
This, though, brings the Supreme Court right into the forefront. It's what everybody's going to be talking about.
Dean Barros would not tell me which scenario he thinks is most likely, but he says only time will tell. Reporting live, Jack Bassett, 13 ABC, Action News.